Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make an age calculator. So let's start. First we will import date time library. Okay. After that we will import our tkinter. From tkinter import everything. Okay. Now we will import tkinter.tk. From tkinter.tk we will import combo box, in which we will take input date from user. Okay, now we will do some formalities like screen title and geometry, etc. Title as calculator. Okay, screen 1 dot geometry 600 by 500. Okay, now we will take canvas window. In that screen we will create a part, width height 250. Okay, in that canvas part we will insert our image. Whatever you want you can insert. I have inserted mine photo image file. And always remember to keep your image on the desktop only, or whether that your Python is installed, you can also put there. Okay, here we have created image and image img. Okay, now we will create text. Image text we will write dob, means date of birth, and font Arial. Okay, font size 18. Dot place at x equals to 174 and y equals to 262. Okay, now we will create our first combo box, in which we will take input. We'll create screen 1 width 3 font Arial and 14 font size. Okay, values we will give it 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 31, means date. In the first we will take input date. Okay, up to 31. Okay, and finally text, that whatever right that user wants. Now we will place current now we will place it at x equals to 260 and y equals to 265. Okay, now we will create a second combo box to take input month. Screen width same, font also same. Okay, cb3 values we will give, as you know months are 12, so 1 2 3 4 up to 12. Okay, cb3 current 1. Okay, what do you want to show on that combo box is that use of the current. After place we have placed it at x equals to 315 and y 265. Now we will create another combo box to take input date. Okay, same as above. Okay, yes, values. As for the basic idea guys, I'm giving the values from 2000 to 2020. You can make much better, but it's a simple idea that how we can make, what should our approach. Okay, 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, how we can approach to make a age calculator using tkinter Python. This is all. Dot place at x equals to 370 and y equals to 265. Now we will make a button and on the screen 1 and give it text that go and check. Okay, check backgrounds and 2, you can see that is color. Command B, I have given it a command BA and I have placed it at 270 and 315, just downside of that DOB. Okay, now we will create our function that names is BA. Okay, let's create a variable pin that I will create a class named person, in which I will pass a date time that we have taken from the user. that input. I have get int get. Okay, we have get that input. Now we will place a text, okay, that hi, you are age-year-old. Okay, now I will format this, that format age is equals to pin.age. Hope you are getting, guys. Now a foreground red, font same Arial, and size I have kept it 14. Okay, now t4 dot place, I am just placing downside of this our button to 30 and y 400. Now we will create a class that we have named person. In that we will define initialize, in that we will pass b date, means birth date, that we have taken from the user, and we will create self.bdate as bdate. Okay, now we will define a function age that we have to give age. Now we will first find out today's date, today. For that we will do datetime.date dot today. Now we will subtract today's year minus self dot, means we will subtract the year that is given by user from today's year. Okay, so let's run, return is okay. Oh, here is our code. You can see we will fix a date 3, okay, 2000. Okay, here we can see. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you have enjoyed.